Dun it, dun it, dun it, dun it. Duchess.
Hi, Dutchy here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make a child-sized Batman apron. So basically here are the materials you will need. Here's everything you're going to need. I have iron. I think most people have those. Your fabric of choice. Accent fabric of choice. So this is a yard of black. This is a fat quarter. Some scissors, a pencil that will show up on your fabric, a paintbrush, some paint, um, ribbon. I have two ribbons. One is the accent ribbon, and one is for the ties of the apron, and then some pins, of course. So, yeah, and then of course you'll need needle and thread or a sewing machine and some thread. But we all knew that. Anyhow, all right. So what I have here are the pieces of fabric that I'm going to need. So all I did was I took the fat quarter and I cut it in half, and then I folded the edges down and ironed them back using my iron. Yeah. And then I have um my pocket, which I cut to the size that I wanted. I did not really measure it. I just kind of guesstimated and made sure that it was square. Alright, so I'm going to be using some dark thread. If you have black, use black. I just realized that I don't have black, so yeah. Here we go.